And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your REALME Pad Mini. So, in the first step we have to open the Play Store, then go to the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax. So we have to open it. And now if you want to choose the document, click on the plus and select the source of it, like a gallery. Like this one. You can of course select more than one picture, no problem. If you're ready, click import. Now you can adjust the shape to your document, like this one, and now just tap on the arrow icon. There is a place where you need to choose your filter for your photo to make it more visible for the receiver. You can also add signature text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept icon, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, like this one. You can give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, click on the plus and do like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, get your free credits, buy it, and click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.